और अब अगले प्रतिभागी हैं वेसापोगु जैक्विलिन, जो आंध्र प्रदेश से आज हमारे बीच आई हैं। पंडित मदन मोहन मालवीय जी पर अंग्रेजी भाषा में अपना वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत करेंगी। जोरदार तालियां।
శాతవాహన శౌర్యంతో ధాన్య కటకం దీప్తించిన నేల, వేంగి నన్నయవాణితో తెలుగు వెలుగొందిన నేల, కాకతీయ వైభవం కూచిపూడి కళలతో ఖ్యాతి నొందిన నేల, కృష్ణా గోదావరి నదులు పరుగడే నేల, అదే అమర చరితగన్న నా ఆంధ్ర నేల. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, the place where I hail from. Respected dignitaries and my dear friends, Namaskar. This is Fiba Jacqueline representing Acharya Nagarjuna University of Andhra Pradesh. Let me begin with a story. Long ago, there was a man traveling across India collecting funds for a cause. He collected funds from farmers, widows, children, from whomever possible and in whatever form he can. One day, he went to the court of Nizam of Hyderabad and he begged for funds, explaining the cause. But Nizam got furious and he flung his footwear in anger. But instead of react with hurt, that man picked up that footwear and went to a marketplace auction. Because that was associated with such a prominent ruler, that item drew bids from wealthy patrons and the proceeds were used in the cause that man aimed for. That man was Bharat Ratna Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji, and the cause was Benares Hindu University. Founded in 1916, a magnificent temple of learning blending ancient wisdom with modern knowledge, it was not just a university but a revolution born from pen, a defiant roar for self-respect against the colonial oppression of Indian students. Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to ask you a question. Can we bear an insult if someone throws chappal on us? No, but he did it. No wonder why he was addressed as the Mahamana by the father of our nation. Born on 25th December 1861 into a poor family in Prayagraj, he rose above poverty to become an unbreakable force. That unbreakable force as a lawyer fought cases for justice, often refusing payments. As a journalist, he exposed colonial injustice and awakened the Indian conscience. He fought untouchability, advocating temple entry for all. He championed girl education when in those days it was considered a sin. Today, look around as India builds world-class institutions, as our students lead global innovations, and government speaks about Nari Shakti and Vikasit Bharat, and when our tricolors flies on the moon, it's Malviyaji's vision breathing across the nation. In this central hall of parliament, I wanted to say one thing. मालविया जी ने मार्ग दिखाया है, राष्ट्र वही खड़ा होता है जहाँ चरित्र शिक्षा से जन्म लेता है. May we build an India of knowledge, character and equality, the India he dreamt of. भारत सबसे पहले और भारत हमेशा रहेगा. सत्यमेव जयते. जय हिंद.